The joint, which is clicking and clacking or like hurting you at some point, is causing you so much distress that at some point cannot open your mouth. You have headaches, tension, and all kinds of sorts in this regard. I do think a lot of symptoms are caused by generally teeth grinding. May it be pain, headaches, discomfort, and also premature facial aging, which I would like to show you what it means if this muscle is tensed, why your face starts to deteriorate and looks different throughout the age. I am one of those people and just recently got diagnosed with bruxism. I think if I wouldn't start with face yoga in my early 20s, I definitely would have way bigger symptoms than I have now. If this area right here gets tensed and the muscle gets in spasm, so to speak, the area here right here shortens. We are like the muscles which are going in this area right here don't have much space, to be honest. They shorten as well, and so everything folds in, starts to sag, and this is what causes us throughout our life to age faster than we should have. If you start grinding your teeth get shorter, therefore this area even more shortens, and this is where we lose bone density and everything starts to sag and everything starts to shrink, and so our face starts to sink in. Shout out to my orthodontist Katarina, who is in Lisbon. I just got this night guard 2-3 weeks ago. I think it doesn't look sexy, I have to tell you, but I mean, I can even speak with it. I know it looks crazy, huh? But I don't care how it looks because honestly, it doesn't make me grind my teeth at night as much. For some people, it's definitely not the solution because they're still crazily grinding their teeth against the night guard. But for me and for maybe some others, that could be absolutely already like a help. I don't have as much tension. And what you also can see, I don't wake up with crazy nasolabial folds. The night guard is an amazing solution. You can combine with the night guard or do it separately, is actually mouth tape. I am literally mouth taping my mouth when I'm sleeping. So I'm just taking a usual kinesio tape. You literally are taping your mouth together. Your tongue is pushing therefore on the roof of your mouth, and therefore you're breathing through the nose, and it can also definitely release tension right here. Depending on how much you can open your mouth, that also depends on how tense it is. If you are not able to even put like 3 fingers in your mouth like this, or like even 4, then it's definitely an indicator that you're like tense. So what we're going to do, we're going to say wow in a very exaggerated manner. The shoulders are relaxed and down, the chest is open, you're breathing through the nose, you are not wrinkling your forehead when you're saying wow like this. You are opening your eyes as much as possible, but only to the point where you are basically not wrinkling your face. 1, 2, 3. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. And I feel this right away releasing, which is amazing. The next step, which I would do to release the tension, is basically open my mouth slightly, like this, and then you are gliding with your knuckles down your masseter muscle, like this. And you do it extremely slowly, and you're gliding like butter through the tissue. So if the tissue doesn't let you, then you hold and really slow down. Because if you're just moving towards the pain and just like go very superficial, there's not much you will actually achieve. So we need to go really deep, and this is why also we never stretch the skin. We are really working on the muscle. Let's start. Open the mouth, open the chest, breathe through the nose, and start gliding gently down. You can even like hold, like really press under your cheekbone into the muscle and glide down. If you do not want to use your knuckles, you can also use this part right here. It's like almost like a mini gua sha. You don't need a gua sha or anything. You can really use your hand and press right in. If you feel some pain, stay there. Breathe into it. Move slowly downwards. and release. You can do this for 1 to 2 minutes, really go down, and the beauty of it is also you can do it anywhere and anytime. If you have bruxism or like tension right here, it's highly likely that you're also very tensed in the back. One stretch which I love to do is you are like having your shoulders down, you are relaxed, you're looking diagonally to one side, you're placing your hand onto your head and slightly pull it down. So we are pulling to the side. And we should feel a stretch right in the back of our neck. And we are holding this for 30 seconds. Breathe into it. You can also move your head from left to right, but keep the diagonal vector. Use your hand as like slight force, but don't push too much. And release. Now let's do this for the other side. Look diagonally in one direction. Place your hand right here, and then we are stretching this area right there. This has also an amazing effect on lymphatic flow, on your face overall. So do this regularly. It will not only like help you with your TMD, but also with your face. Breathe through it and release. Also, when you do these movements and exercises and massages, try to listen to your body. What does it tell you? Oh, there's a tension, there's something here. Like, breathe into it, get to know your body more. It really tells you a story and it speaks to you. And then lastly, as a little bonus, I would say, since this muscle right here is connected to the temporal muscle right here, we are starting to massage this area in circular motion, going upwards, going downwards, upwards, downwards. And you can even start pulling your hair slightly to release the tension. And you can go in like zigzag motion. It should feel like a release. It should not hurt or anything. I actually love doing this on both sides to release the tension also. So we are releasing the tension right here, and in the neck. And do this every morning and let me know in the comments how you feel about it, because this at least will soften your symptoms a little bit. If you're interested in more topics in that department, make sure to try out our app. You can try it out for 7 days for free, and then you can decide whether you want to join or not. But with that being said, I wish you a wonderful rest of your day, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Till then, mwah.